Let's talk about Le Creuset Silicone Professional Small Spatula Cerise. Heat resistant to 250 degrees Celsius. A kitchen tool for every cooking task. Elliptical shaped handle provides comfortable slip-free grip. Dual-sided blade to work with different types of cookware. Removable, dishwasher safe silicone head. My wife loves Le Creuset tools and cookware. When our Mastiff puppy found her old Creuset spatula and chewed the handle off, I was dispatched to Amazon to purchase a new one. A cheaper one would not do, only a Le Creuset spoon spatula would do the job correctly. So I purchased another one, on the condition that it had to be placed in the Le Creuset tool holder. I know the excellent quality tool, with years of life in the kitchen unless you have a Mastiff puppy. I love this spatula, but then I left it in my Vitamix accidentally and turned it on and it sliced the bottom off. As long as you are more sensible than me, you will love this forever. Perfect for Vitamix and getting around the blades of your Vitamix. I like this. It is not floppy like so many silicone spatulas but is flexible enough to work efficiently. The size is good for scraping out blenders and jars, too.